Let's get a bit in the details. What is the difference between work-life balance and work-life integration? Let us discuss the pros and cons of work-life integration. Before technological advances, employers worried about a lack of communication due to physical separation of employees. However, with more awareness in regards to work-life balance, remote workers are becoming more appealing to employers, and remote working has become the preferred working environment for employees. Additionally, having more team diversity makes remote workers more appealing in general. Work-life balance and work-life integration are similar yet differ in many ways. While both offer a better work and lifestyle balance, they differ in the way they allocate the time to complete daily tasks and where work is performed. Let's look at the pros and cons of remote work and how you can utilize each method to improve your career and life as a remote worker. As we have discussed, the main concept behind work-life balance is to separate a career and home life so that you can accomplish your professional tasks and still have plenty of time for family, friends, and other activities outside work. Work-life integration takes remote working to a different level, where work and life aren't separate entities that require equal weight. Instead, employees incorporate their professional experiences into their personal lives, and vice versa, as a more holistic approach to working from home or on the road. Examples irrespective of occupation may include starting the workday whenever you want, responding to emails in a waiting room or lobby, performing light yoga while watching a training video, feeding the dog while discussing plans with a manager, completing work tasks at happy hour instead of a coffee shop, or even taking annual workations, working regular working hours while traveling. Think of work-life integration as performing your job while living your normal life. It's a unified, blended, harmonious work-life arrangement that doesn't necessarily require chunking time, giving equal attention to any individual facet, or evaluating your performance and satisfaction with work and life separately. Which is better, work-life integration or work-life balance? Well, work-life balance and work-life integration have a similar goal: to help employees feel happier, work more productively, and organize time according to their priorities. Though the two terms aim for a common end, they use different means to get there. All in all, neither work-life balance nor work-life integration is better than the other. In the end, it comes down to personal preferences, and both approaches have benefits and drawbacks. Therefore, to achieve more overall satisfaction in your personal and professional life, start by evaluating your preferred work style and lifestyle. As an employer or manager of remote workers, create a culture of work-life balance or integration. It may seem like none of your business. You may assume the most of the responsibility falls on your team members. They're the ones who want balance, right? However, employers and managers have a significant influence on how remote professionals create and sustain their balance between work and home life. Take it from the 100 remote working companies that lead the nation in remote job postings. Remote working works best when you promote the attainment of work-life balance with your staff and integrate in your culture and policies.